Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I can see what's going on social media. How they bought a car, bulletproof car of 300 million naira that I'm using. So I want you to go and hit your hand there and see really whether it is a treated car. With all due respect, people should be careful not to destroy other people. So when I came, the permanent secretary said they have a car for us and that the car we use is this. So I have never approved any car to be bought, and I'm not using official bulletproof car, no. When I have cars as governor, yes. As I was governor, well, what do you expect? I should have what? So, but I'm not using bulletproof car as FCT minister. So we should report the right thing and not to destroy ourselves. So I want you to take a look at that car where you have a flag, whether it is bulletproof car. Thank you.